In this video, I will show you how to make this motion graphic design using Canva. So just watch this full tutorial to learn how to do it. Open Canva and click on video and choose video landscape. So after this, you have to click on this background and change the background. For me, I will change it to blue, and I will go here to this three dots and click duplicate page. I will go to the second page and go to elements, and I will add the picture or the element that I want to use. For me, I want to use this taco. I will just keep it here in the middle. So now what I have to do, I go to text and click text and write my text taco. So I will right now change the font. Maybe I like this one, and I will change also the color to white, and I will go to effects and click on shadow like this, and I will make this bigger. So I will also add another text, and I will write Vicky, and I will copy this style from this word or this font, and I will make here. So right now I will hide these two words, taco and Vigi, but before that I have to check this. Yeah, I will hide it and keep just this transparent side. So also I will do the same to this, and right now I will just go here and click on duplicate page. I will come to this page here and go to the taco, and I will make it bigger, maybe like this or like this, and I will go to this Wiki and I will make it like this, and also another one taco. I will decrease it and change the size of it and make it look like this. And right now I will come between these two pages and click add transition, and I will add here flow like this, and maybe like this, and I will, the first page I will remove the duration and keep it 1 second or less than 1 second. And right now let me see, yeah, and I will come here to between these two pages and click add transition, and I will click match and move, click match and move, and come to duration and make it like this. And right now I think I'm going to decrease this and this, so like this. Yeah, it's good now. So right now I will click here to add pages again, and I will change this background color to red right now, and I will go to elements and put the picture that I want to use. For example, burger. I will add it in the middle like this, and I will click on text, click add text, and write burger. style from here and go to this and make it like this, and I will make it like this, and I will add another text, and I will say beef, and I will copy style from this and make it here. So I will do it like this, and right now I will hide again these two words and keep just the transparent side like this. Yeah, it's good right now. And now I will go to page here, and I will click to this three dots and click duplicate page, and I will go here to this, and I will decrease it and make it like this, for example. And I will right now click on my text, and I will do this like this, and I will go to another text, and I will make it like this, beef burger, as you can read here, and I will just use it like this. And right now I will go and click here on this add transition and click on flow like this, or before that you go here between these two pages and click flow. Yeah, and you go between these two pages and click add the transition and click match and move and make it like this. Yeah, so I will right now make this look like this, and right now I will do the same to the third part. Right now when I finish this and I see the result, as you can see here, I will add another page by clicking here, click add page, and I will change the background color. I will prefer to use blue, and right now I will go to my elements. I will add all my elements here, here like this, and I will select them like this, and I will make them bigger. So right now I will click on text and click add text, and I will say, for example, fast food, and I will copy the style from here, the style font style, and go here, and this fast food I will make it, for example, I guess it's better to put it here and just show the transparent side. So then guys, I will click on my page, and I will click on these three dots and click on duplicate page, and I will select these three items, and I will make them in the middle like this, and I will my text, I will put it here, fast food, and I will go to between these two pages and click add, and I will click on flow, and I will come here between these two pages, click add transition and click match and move and make it like this. Right now this is the final result. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and bye.